Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today I will be planning in my Erin Condren. I use this planner as my memory planner, and the week that I'm planning is October 21st to October 27th. I just show you the kit that I am going to use for this week. It is a printable from the shop Print Petticoat Bandit. It is a printable shop. I will link the shop down below in the description just in case you like to try it out on printables. I think it's amazing. This kit comes with a lot of stickers and it's beautiful. I love how it turns out. I will be putting some music so you can see the rest of the video. But before I leave, I just want to thank you so much if you are a person that returns one more time to see my videos. Thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're visiting me for the first time, nice to meet you. My name is Sannia. I'm the owner of the sticker shop Little Annabelle's Plans. I have the link of my shop as well as all of my social media and a discount code for the 25% in your entire order in case you want to try it out, my stickers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if I would love you to consider to subscribe. Hit the bell notifications, hit the bell so you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. If you are not a new subscriber, can you see that I'm always making the same mistake every time that I said hit the bell notification? But anyways, it's the Spanish translation in English type of thing. But yeah, I love this beautiful kit and how it turns out. Before I leave again, I wanted to mention that I make mistakes. You will be seeing me pulling out some boxes, and yes, I saw what happened on Monday, that I pull out the full box and then I place it in the wrong box. I realized that after I finished my video and I was editing this one. But the good thing is that I print out this kit with the sticker paper from my shop that is removable, and right now I'm watching the spread and I have it in the correct area. I just want to clear that up, and if you like to see a picture of this spread, there's a link of my personal Instagram account, and it is Cuties Plans. I share a picture of all of my spreads that I do of all of the videos in this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I will see you next time. Bye!